Can Excel talk? The answer is yes. We can make Excel read out many sentences updated in a cell with just a click of a button. It can also read out data updated in multiple rows and columns. We can make it read row-wise or column-wise. Hi, I am Shinoy. Welcome to my channel Excel Simplified. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe by clicking the subscribe button on this page so that you will get notified about all useful Excel videos which I post. To make Excel talk, we have to add few buttons in this quick access toolbar. For that, I will click on File, go to Options, the bottom, which opens a dialog box. So go to Quick Access Toolbar, click on this. In this choose commands from, select all commands. We have to search for speak. So speak cells, there is an option called speak cell. So click on this, add it here. If you go down, there is a stop speaking. You add this also and then click OK. So speak cells got added here. Stop speaking also got added in the quick access toolbar. So there is another way of adding this by using this search. So I have to add few more buttons. So I am going to say speak. So speak cells we added. So speak cells on enter. So I'll click the right mouse, add to quick access bar. So on enter it added. Again I will type speak cells by column. I will add this also to quick bar. It added. Again I will type speak cells by rows. Add to quick access toolbar. So now I have speak cells, stop speaking, on enter, by columns, by rows on the quick access toolbar. Let us see how to make Excel read out multiple sentences updated in one cell. So I have multiple sentences updated in cell A1. So I'm clicking on this cell, I'm selecting this cell and I'm clicking on speak cells. So it will read out these sentences. So watch how it reads out the sentences updated in this cell. So I'm clicking speak cells.
Hi, my name is Shinoy. I had been conducting advanced Excel training for many years. I thought of sharing the features in latest versions of Excel application and also many tips and tricks which I learned in the past many years as an Excel user to others. So I created a YouTube channel Excel Simplified for sharing my Excel knowledge. I have posted many useful videos in my YouTube channel that will help you complete your Excel tasks faster than your colleagues. Request all those who use Excel in their day-to-day work to view my YouTube videos and subscribe to my channel to get notification regarding all new videos posted in the channel. I assure you that there will be at least one new thing to learn from each of my videos that will make you an Excel wizard.
So it stopped after reading out the sentences. So I'll try it once again and show you how to stop this speak cells. So if you want to stop in between, you have to click on this stop speaking. I'll show you that. I'm clicking on speak cells, it will start reading out.
Hi, my name is Shinoy.
So I'm going to click on this stop speaking. So I clicked on stop speaking, it stopped speaking. So and I will show you how to use this on enter. So on enter button, if I click on it, it will read out whatever I type in the cells below. So before I am going to type, I have to enable this on enter. So I click on enter.
Cells will now be spoken on enter.
See, cells will be spoken on enter. So I'm going to type New Delhi and clicking enter.
New Delhi. New York. China. Kochi. Mumbai. Kanpur.
So that is the purpose of this on enter. So now I will show you how to read data updated in multiple rows and columns. So I am going to select this data, updated in multiple cells. So I'm going to click speak cells. See what happens.
India, Nepal, Belgium, China, Germany, Sri Lanka, Austria, United Kingdom,
So it is reading
Maldives,
out. So I'll stop
Switzerland.
speaking. It is reading out data column wise because I had selected by columns. So I click on by rows and then select this range. So I clicked on by rows. So by rows is selected. So it will read row wise, means India, Germany, United Kingdom, like that. Let us see how it works.
India, Germany, United Kingdom, Japan, Australia, United States, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Kenya, South Africa, Canada, Belgium, Austria, Switzerland, Netherlands, Ethiopia, Russia, China.
So now I will click on by columns. So it will read by columns. So I will select this data and now I click is by columns is enabled. So it will read India, Nepal, Belgium, China, Germany, like that. Let's see.
India, Nepal, Belgium, China, Germany, Sri Lanka, Austria, United Kingdom,
I'm stopping.
Maldives.
Speak cells. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you find the information I shared useful, please like and share the video with your friends. If you did not like the video, please let me know the reasons through comments. Also, please feel free to give improvement suggestions in the comment section. That will help me create better videos in future. Thank you once again.